taking a picture.
Shh, you're not supposed to tell her.
What have you on the blanket?
What is she?
She has angels.
Yes, she does. She has angels on her blanket.
What in my blanket?
You have butterflies.
Uh-huh.
Hey, you got
Flowers.
butterflies on yours.
You got birds.
Yeah. You gonna go to sleep?
Said you wanna go sleep.
Okay.
You need your own pillow.
No.
You need
What?
own.
Watch
Here,
out for.
move this one over here.
Okay, watch out for Kelsey's face.
Right here, Melly. Melly, put it right here.
Said you want to sleep here.
Mm-hmm.
Give him a
Give him
pillow.
a
He needs a pillow. Stay right there. Good job.
I need a pillow too.
You
You
got
got
one
those right next
there.
to Teddy's.
You can lay there and Teddy can lay here. It's less ferocious. It won't be all in my face. So here.
You need a blanket too.
Here, he can share yours
Yeah,
with you.
you
guys can share blankets. Here, lay down. I'll cover you up.
Yeah, go ahead. Lay down next to Teddy. Casey will cover you
Lay
up.
right here.
Come my
Are you comfy? Okay. Night night. Good night night.
I forgot Nana.
I think Nana's fine.
Yeah, Nana's fine. Nana's not tired.
Come here.
Here you go. I gotta cover you up. You're gonna lay down. Go night night. He's covered, Melly. He's good. He's all comfy cozy. Now, Melly, get comfy cozy.
No, I want Casey blanket. You want your blanket?
On my blanket? What's this? Is that Melly's foot? It's Melly's foot! I gotcha! I gotcha!
I'm gonna come Teddy up.
You gonna cover him up? Can I help? Okay. Here we go.
Want to lie down?
He's already lying down. How about you lie down?
Okay. You think smells.
What smells?
Stinky foot. He said stinky foot smells. And she said.
I'm gonna come Teddy up.
Yeah?
Okay, cover him up.
Cover Teddy up. Okay, we've done this 100 times now. How about we cover you up and lie down? Go night night. Lie down.
No.
Nope. Thought you wanted to go night night. No, you don't?
No. I'm gonna sleep next to you.
You
Sleep
already
next to
sleeping
me?
next to her.
I need my water to sleep.
You need your water to sleep.
No.
Oh, I can just picture that crashing down on my head.
I would have screamed. Watch out for Kelsey there, Melly.
Hi, Melly.
Did you get Casey wet? Did you? Some water fell out of your mouth on her face.
Oh, that's one way to get you to move.
stepping on you.
Yeah,
You're stepping on us.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, cover her up.
Cover me up.
Yes, we don't want her to get cold.
You're all comfy.
Yeah. Kelsey, look. Thanks, Melly. Oh.
Teddy sleep in your pillow.
Yeah. Come on. You gotta cover up.
Nope. I'm gonna go sleep.
Okay.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Melly. Bye, Melly.
Mercy.
You still have yours?
Hi.
Hi. Hi, Melly.
They're still sleeping. They're good girls. They're still in bed.
What's
Dare put it down.
They're sleeping.
They're sleeping.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
What's doing, Kelsey?
I sleeping like you told me to. Can I wake up yet?